Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rita. So if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I would really appreciate it if you decide to hit the red button and subscribe to my channel. So anyway, today I wanted to share with you what I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So I actually have two bags, but I just put one right here. So I kind of like put everything in here. So I ended up, like my last video was kind of like me telling you what I might pick up. Of course, whenever I got in store, things just, things change, of course, whenever you actually hit the store. And I didn't pick up as many things that I was expecting. The items of clothes that I was really excited to pick up were already sold out. I didn't have a lot of clothing that I wanted to pick up, but it was kind of like more like the Barefoot Dream sweater. There was one cardigan that I really liked, but already sold out. And then a Patagonia jacket. So just little things that I wanted that clothing wise were already out. So anyway, I did pick up two more items that I ordered off the website, which surprisingly hasn't arrived. Nordstrom in general is always super fast at getting like my packages. I guess because of the sale they are a little behind, but I started shopping and I shopped for that on the 10th. It's already been like 7 days I think from that date that I ordered. But anyway, let's just get right into what I did and with what I was most excited for. So I actually in my previous video mentioned that I was gonna pick up one of the new face, and I had in mind to pick up the kind of like the mini one, that it came with the mini new face and then a little attachment or a little pen device looking for the eyes. But I ended up picking up the Trinity just because whenever I was in store, the lady that was helping me out, super nice by the way, super sweet lady, told me that this one was pretty much better, and you can literally change the attachments. So I'm gonna show it to you. I have it right here. The day I came back from the store, I literally opened it up, put it to charge, and used it that same night. So that's kind of like what it looks like, and it is going to be kind of like to tone your face, and it's gonna help with signs of aging and wrinkles and fine lines, and just give you kind of like bring that elasticity back into your face. I do want to kind of like, or what I look forward most with this product is to kind of like get a bit more definition on my jawline, on my chin, on my cheekbones. That's kind of like what I'm looking for. Of course, I want the added benefits of the anti-aging, or the helping with the fine lines. So for the other only two things that I picked up from beauty was the Paula's Choice, the 2% liquid exfoliator BHA. So I was really excited about this product because I've heard so many good things about it. So at the moment I do use kind of like a very similar product from Murad, but I've heard that this one is very, very good. And this one is in the value size. So I think the regular size is gonna be 4 ounce. This one is the 8 ounce, and I actually have the bottle empty because same thing like the new face, literally the day that I got it, I was like, oh my god, I want to use it. I was super excited. So it's actually sitting in my bathroom, but I'm testing it right now. I've used it for maybe like 2-3 times at the most. I've had this product for, I want to say, like a week and a half, but so far it's been good. Something is going on that it's kind of like stripping a little my face too much, and I think it's gonna be this. It might be a little too strong for me, so I am gonna be using it like once or twice a week, because on my cheek area I do feel like it's kind of like getting very dry, and this is the only thing that I've changed, on top of course the new face, which I don't think that's what's drying me out. I'm not sure yet, but for now I'm gonna be using it a little bit less, just because my skin is more on the drier end, especially around my mouth and kind of like cheek area. So anyway, I'll kind of like keep you posted, but I've heard very good things about it, so I am pretty excited to have it in my collection. And I had to pick a set of beauty blenders because it's always a good time to refresh. This one is $35, and you get two of the beauty blenders, of course full size, and you get a small size of the cleanser. So I like the color. This one is just a classic pink, and then that one that's kind of like the swirly pink and white. Beauty blender is probably my favorite tool for applying makeup. I do like my brushes, but honestly I do prefer my beauty blender over any of my brushes. So I like to have a new pair of these ones because I definitely needed to refresh my older ones. I did mention on my previous video that I was going to pick the Bobbi Brown, the face base. I actually got this for my mom. I have mine from last year, both of them. This is probably one of the best deals because you pretty much get one for free. The standard kind of like full size of this retails for $60. So you do get the set of 2 of them full size for $60. So it's a pretty good deal. I used mine as a primer, but this is like, the formula on this is very, very good. Like it has squalene, it has glycerin, it has a bunch of really good things that you can actually use it as a moisturizer. So my mom is gonna be using it as a moisturizer, so she's gonna have kind of like 2 brand new moisturizers. So I'm pretty excited for her because I absolutely love it, and she has tried it and she does enjoy it. And then for another kind of like beauty item, but not really, I picked up the duo of the slip pillowcases. Sadly, it wasn't the color that I wanted. I wanted in kind of like the more creamy, beigey shade, but in store they didn't have it. I did pick up this in store. I literally was in store the day I could shop on the 10th. So this one's retail for $125, which of course, not cheap by any means. But you get one for like $80 from this brand. So, you know, it is a good deal. And these are kind of like the more, kind of like off pink shade. They are very pretty, but not exactly the ones that I was hoping for, but I'm happy that I have them. I am going to be using them for my bed, and you really can't see them because I'm not going to put them like to be seen. They're just to sleep on, so they'll be fine, and it's a pretty pink color regardless. And these ones are in the queen pillowcases, so they do have the queen and the king. I do believe that they still have them in stock. I could have easily just ordered this ones in the beige in the website, but I just got in store and I picked this ones up, so it's gonna be fine. I'm just being a little dramatic. So now to shoes. Let's just move into shoes. I did pick up 3 pairs of shoes. One of them hasn't arrived. It's the one that I have still waiting for from the website, and I do have a hat that I am also waiting for. It was the pink one that I was pretty excited about, so I am so happy that I was actually able to pick it up from the website. All of the other hats that I wanted to pick up were already sold out. They didn't have them in store and they were sold out on the website. So kind of a bummer, but I mean, it is what it is. I was able to pick one up. I'm hoping it arrives because it hasn't shipped just yet. It is already like kind of like charged. It was charged from my card, so I'm assuming they are gonna send it, so fingers crossed. But anyway, for shoes, I did pick up 2 of them in store. I got some booties and I got some sandals. So from the brand Louis whatever you pronounce this brand, I was not expecting to pick this up. I actually saw them in store. So for the other booties, I had seen them on the website, and I was, you know, already decided on what I was gonna get, but in store I saw these shoes and I really love them. So as soon as I saw these sandals, I knew I had to get them. They are so beautiful. They're like this kind of like dusty pink, super pretty, and I love how the hardware is also kind of like the same shade. So they're very seamless, and although they are kind of like a bit more dramatic because of the croc, they have kind of like that croc leather, and I do believe that these ones are going to be real leather, so that really impressed me because the price point was super affordable. I cannot remember how much I got this for. I will definitely put here, you know, the price, but I really like them, and it's that very comfy heel. I haven't worn them outside my house because I haven't left my house since I got this, but it's kind of like that chunky heel that is going to be very comfortable to walk in. I am hoping. That's kind of like usually the way they go with this kind of heels, but I feel like they're like a statement shoe without being too over the top. So I'm actually going to be wearing it today with this dress. I'm gonna go on a date night with my husband, so these are gonna be perfect. I feel like you can definitely dress them down or dress them up with like a cute dress like I am right now, or you can just use them with some jeans. I feel like they're gonna be super cute with just like a, you know, just regular jeans and a white tee with these shoes. Ooh, super cute. And then for the last thing that I have to show you is going to be the Marc Fisher booties. So I was super pumped to try these ones because I thought they were gonna be out of stock by the time I went in store. But they have been, I feel like they did a good job stocking these shoes because I feel like they're very popular, you know, amongst bloggers and whatnot. So I feel like last year they were out of stock pretty soon, but I think that they're still even in stock right now. I'm trying to get everything out of the way. So anyway, these ones are the Marc Fisher booties. I don't recall the name, but of course I will put it right here somewhere in the screen. but these ones are in the suede. I think they're called cloud suede or something among those lines. They are super cute. I was missing some suede booties in my collection of shoes. I don't have anything suede. I don't particularly go for suede that much because, especially in Houston, it rains so much. So I try to not get a lot of suede, but these ones are super cute. I love how tall they are. It's gonna be perfect to pair with like skinny jeans or like leggings in a dress whenever it's a little bit colder. And what I like about them is that, you know, of course the chunky heel, that's gonna be super comfy to walk with. And the pointy toe is super cute. And just in general, I mean, they are very, very pretty. And I tried them in store. I was surprised because these ones are 6.5, so they do run a little bit bigger and they are pretty wide. So I tried on the 7s, like my feet were just swimming in those shoes. They were super big. These are super cute and I cannot wait to try them out and, you know, wear them. Right now it's like infernally hot outside, so definitely not gonna be using them anytime soon, but I cannot wait to try them on and wear them with pretty much anything and everything. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you real quick what I got from the sale, and of course I still have those booties and the hat coming in the mail, which I'm hoping is gonna be this week. I just didn't want to wait for that because this video, it's already been like a while that I wanted to put it out there, but I was just waiting on those two items that still hasn't been shipped. So whatever, we'll just wait for those, and I will definitely show them to you on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me. It's Alex Mimi also there as my YouTube. And before you leave, please be sure to hit the red button to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.